Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes a reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can use SocialBee for social media. So first of all, all I have to do is click over sign up and write your email address and your password. Then you get started with socialbee.com. So what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So this is the homepage, as you can see. You have here hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. Getting started with SocialBee, set up your account in just a few steps. First of all, connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then we have define your content categories. Then we have schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. Then the last step, which is create and customize posts for each network. Then we have your connected social accounts. View and manage your social accounts in one place. You have just to click over create post. Then you have to just write something here, add your title. For example, here we have selling product. Then we have, you can just make it public, private, or for example, I will put it public. We have what you want to share. For example, you have to add a photo here. Then use canva.com for kinda. Then we have also here, for example, those things. Then you can just switch add first comments to this post. For example, promotion. Then you have your add variation here. You can also just modify this series as you want. Then let's come back here and you click over save. Once you do that, then we have you connect a new account: Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X, Google Business, TikTok, YouTube, Bluesky, Universal Posting. Then you have your service marketplace. You have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers within the SocialBee certified marketplace. Hire SocialBee experts. Are you an agency? You have your SocialBee University. Become a social media manager. How to use SocialBee. So SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively. To get started, first sign up for an account and connect your social media profiles. Then create content categories based on your marketing goals, such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling feature, which helps you repurpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize your future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility effortlessly. Then we have your content. You have your categories first. Your content categories, content is king, and you will feel the same once you start adding it to your categories. You click over create category, then you write your category name, and you click over here and you write your description. Then you click over create category. You have also your default settings and UL settings. Then you have your hashtag also collection. So add, edit, delete your hashtag collections. From here you will be able to quickly add them to posts and posts. Then we have here import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to account with a CSV import. We have here how should you prepare your spreadsheet. Download a simple spreadsheet, and we have here view the fix if you have questions. Have your categories here, created, engaging posts, our blogs and videos. Then we have promotion. Then you have here add post to the top, add post to the top here, add post to the bottom. Then we have here import links. Turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. Then we have here place choose the social profiles you want to share on. Select all, select no one. We have here import links. Merge the links here and your category here, print text also. Then we have here import media. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. Then we have your RSS. Add it and remove your RSS feeds below. Keep in mind that they refresh every hour. Then we have your Pocket. Save here also browser extension, and that's it. Then we have your social media couples. Answer questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that's relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use the social media couples here. Then we have here schedule setup. For this one, you have just to click over at posting time. You select the category and you select how much day, and you select posting time also, and you click over create and you get started. Then we have here next posts. You have to take a look at your upcoming 100 posts. Then we have here analytics. See here how your social profile has been performing and growing. Then we have here SocialBee services. The first step to getting your concierge services is filling in the intakes. Do that here, row now, and start saving time. Then we have here engage dashboard. Then we have here help, questions and feedback here. So SocialBee offers a comprehensive solution for managing your social media strategy efficiently by organizing content into categories, scheduling posts in advance, and utilizing recycling features. You can maintain a consistent and engaging online presence. Coupled with robust analytics, SocialBee empowers you to refine your approach and maximize your reach. With this tool, you can focus more on creating quality content and less on the logistics of posting, ultimately driving better results for your brand. So this is how it works with SocialBee. You can just get started right now. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.